Hi everyone, this is your Monday morning weather update. I hope you all had a nice weekend and hopefully you're adjusting to that time change. That's a tough one, just moving it 1 hour. For me, it's almost weird that the evening continues on. It's nice, don't get me wrong, but it's an adjustment. And I think our kids and our pets have an even more difficult time. Anyone that's on a routine, I think that's where it really starts to kind of mess with you. But it feels very cold this morning, regardless of what time it is. We got temperatures that are in the 30s in the New York City metro, but the wind chills at times are making it feel like it's in the 20s. We'll get to 50 this afternoon, but the wind is going to make it feel more like 40 to 45 at best. So it's going to definitely be a chilly afternoon. And then we see temperatures falling back into the 40s again, with the wind slowly subsiding overnight. There's been a scattering of lake effect snow showers, occasionally some heavier squalls in central New York, right around the Syracuse area. Those have been diminishing quickly this morning, so it won't be a thing by this afternoon, but it is going to remain windy throughout the entire Northeast. I'll show you in a moment why. I've got a strong area of low pressure just north of Maine. Temperatures tonight, considering how cold it felt this morning with the wind subsiding, it may not feel so bad. 32 right along the New York State Thruway from Albany to Syracuse to Rochester to Buffalo. Buffalo about 36. Again, 40 tonight in New York City, so that's what you wake up to tomorrow morning, but it'll feel better than it did this morning with less wind. All right, so we do have some mild air that's building out to the west. That may work in as the week goes on, but for right now, this area of low pressure, as small as it looks on the map, it is a very deep area of low pressure. In other words, it's a strong low pressure system, so the winds around it are strong out of the northwest. We also have the difference too between those two, right? High pressure and low pressure. So we got definitely this sort of squeeze play with the pressure gradient, as it's called. That's helping to create the wind as well. Now that does subside tonight, so it'll feel a lot better tomorrow, and there's that mild air that I was mentioning that builds in for the middle of the week. So we're looking at a really nice week as far as March weather is concerned. Low to mid 60s is really nice for the middle of the month. As we head toward the weekend, we may have a little bit of stormy weather to deal with. We'll get a more clearer picture on that as the week goes on, see if that's going to be more like Sunday morning or Sunday afternoon. I mentioned that because it is St. Patrick's Day and we got the parade going on here in New York City. All right, that is your Monday morning weather update. I hope you all have a great day. I'll see you back here tomorrow.